Hey fellas, I was just drinking my tea and opening the box because most of the customers sending tools for me prepared by the courier, and just found this one. Okay, and what can I see from the first look? The charger is not working and it's not doing anything. So I hope that the customer will have 5 broken batteries. It's just one charger. Let's open the charger and I will unplug it. Let's check what we have here. Okie dokie. Okay. So the first thing what we want to check if the charger is not visually damaged or something similar. Okay, now I can't see anything bad here, so I need to measure the cord and the fuse. Okay, the fuse. Of course, the fuse is dead. Okay. Okay, so what we know that the cord probably is good, the fuse is dead. So let's check for some kind of shortage maybe here. But most of the time it's easier to just put a new fuse and try to turn it on. Okay, now let's check how we can remove this beast out, because I'm having this one for the first time, and probably it's a different board here. Okay, can I move it like that? Probably not, so we can screw this one. Disconnect the connector. Okay, what is holding you here? Smart move. Okay. I don't want too much. I want to take this board out and check how it looks. And on the first look, it looks not bad, so let's just try to find a fuse for this one. You can see we have the fuse legs here and here, so I need to desolder them. Okay, let's desolder the fuse, and the bad news is that I don't have the fuses like this ones. They are just ended, and that means I have not ordered them, so I'll be needed to go to the shop. Okay. Let's check what fuse we have here, and 250 volts and 6.3 maybe. No, can't see good. Okay, so I need a fuse here, this one, and then I will be able to check the charger. Okay, after some tea, what I have done, I have moved the fuse and the MOSFET. The MOSFET shows short on all three legs, and then I got the small tiny wire to replace the fuse, just to test it, and the green light blinks here, so it's starting to work. So I need to get the MOSFET, the fuse, and then try it again and hope that it will be the problem and I will be the powerful fixer of the 40-volt charger. Okay fellas, so got back this one with the spare parts at DC40RA, and it was putting the short, then plug it in, and what I have found this bad boy shorted, so I have replacement for this one and I hope it will go well. Let's just try to bend it to fit. Okay, maybe, yeah, okay. So just inserted this MOSFET. We'll find the thermal paste. Who knows now where I put the thermal paste? Oh, it's here. Pew. Cooling paste, and let's just take this out. It's a brand new because it's not the thing I normally use. Okay, let's check. Hey, sorry, put it a little bit too much here. Okay. Okay, let's put it here, and where is the screw when you see it? Ah, on the screw in the housing. So tightening the screw. Then of course we need to solder the legs here. Okay, and now with the big fuse, I will plug it in. Of course I need to connect it, and here we have the connector. Here you can see it's shown the arrows, the black, the red one, so the black goes to the black, the red one to the red one. I'm covering it and trying to plug it in and hope it will not be short. Okay, so we don't have short, the light is blinking, so it have the power Now you need to find the batteries. I have the batteries from the customer. Him stated that the batteries are bad. Yeah, some of these batteries are even not showing any signs of charge. Okay, we have the green light blinking. It just not do anything on this battery. So of course, what I need to do, I need to get a good battery or something. But basically now we know that this charger can work, and I need to close it. For you, it's a simple component 28 GSM2 maybe, I don't know, I can see good. So if you really want it, maybe I will put them for sale in my shop. So just check the link and try to search the MOSFET for the Makita DC40RA or something similar. For now I will assemble it. The charger is working again. Of course I will test it. I will put the fuse because I don't have the fuse like this ones, and the shop, local electronic component shop, don't have it, so I need to put the fuse, and yeah, it will be good to go. For you, thumbs up, thank you for watching, and bye.